Well, you're just in time to see an executive decision in the works. I am, as you may have been following me, I've been busy making my prototype for the Morpheus Box class, the online class coming up in May, and it's coming along pretty well. I still have some painting to do and whatnot, but what I've been doing today is I've been messing around with a product by 10 Second Studios. How do you like my bottle? It's Verde, which is a two-part product. It's basically you put a metallic paint on, and then you add this mystical, magical chemical, and it alters it. So we're going to be messing around with that. But what I've been playing around with is using the Verde, like this is the rusting part of it, but using it in conjunction with paint. And so I decided that it'd be kind of fun for this particular workshop to actually do some of those processes that I've come up with since I've started using this. So combining paint and that metallic antiquing surfacer. So that's what we're going to be doing. So anyway, if you haven't signed up, you should join up because I like company. So there you go. You spin me right round, baby, right round, like a record, baby, round, 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 round.